It is that time again. It is time to make sure that I will not go over budget on my food or my household items or anything else. It's time for me to put money towards my savings. I'm just getting my life. And so I will be stuffing my cash envelopes from my second paycheck in the month of June. If that's something that you're here for, let's get into it. If this is your very first time here, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel I talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. If that is something that you're interested in, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And if you are returning bestie, hey girl, hey, I'm so excited that you're here to hang out with your girl. So like I said, I am going to be stuffing cash envelopes from the second paycheck in the month of June, and you guys saw that I already did the budget. If you haven't checked out that video, then I'm gonna leave it linked at the end of this video so that you can check it out and see how I have done all of this good stuff. I also closed out my last budget and was excited about me closing out at an A+, okay? So in today's video, I am going to be stuffing a total of $585. So I'm gonna get everything set up here. You guys can see in today's video, I actually have the fire going. I went on ahead and cut the fire on. So, or lit the candle. I can't talk. All right, so I have my cash tray here, and I am going to be stuffing 500. I don't know if this is going to, but yeah, $585. So first, let me go ahead and get my thumbnail. So I'm gonna count out the coins. Move this back a little bit, and then we will get started, or count out the money. All right, so the very first thing that I am going to be stuffing today is my groceries. And I've already emptied out my wallet, so there's nothing in here. And actually, I'm not going to be stuffing this wallet, actually. But let me just make sure I don't have any cash in here. I'm gonna be retiring this wallet until the winter time, and I'm gonna be taking out a smaller wallet, which I'm super excited about. Hey bestie, so I am interrupting your regular scheduled video so that I could present to you a giveaway. Yes, I never got a chance to do the 50K subscriber giveaway, and we are really close to 60K, but I still wanted to do this giveaway because I really do appreciate the love, the support, the consistency, and viewership. So I will be hosting a few giveaways on the next few videos. There will be some videos that will have giveaways and some videos that will not have giveaways. I'm not sure, and I'm not even sure how many videos it will be. However, I will not be putting giveaway on the title or on the thumbnail or anything like that, because I want to make sure that I am doing this giveaway for people who are consistently watching. And I just want to show you my appreciation. There are some besties who pretty much watch all the time. So I will be doing these giveaways in different ways, okay? So for this particular video, if you can just put the cash sign in the comments, and if you are following me on Instagram, go ahead and put your Instagram handle. So when I choose the winner, I will be reaching out to you via Instagram. I know some of the besties do not have Instagram, and if you don't, just go ahead and enter your email address, and hopefully that's not going to be too hard to get in contact with you, but I am going to need to get in contact with you to let you know. And Instagram is the easiest way right now. So please enter just cash. It could be the cash bag, or no, yeah, just the cash bag. That's it. So put the cash bag in the comments, and you have 24 hours to do this from the time that this video has gone live. So it's going live today at 5 p.m. And so tomorrow at 5 p.m. I will shut it down, and then I will pick a winner. And what will you be getting? So you will be getting the So Crafty Sanaa wallet. If you know me, then you know this is one of my favorite wallets. I absolutely love this wallet. And it does come with a duster bag, which I absolutely love. I did have to open it just to make sure that I didn't have like my receipt or anything in here. But there's some really cool things inside that talks about the cash envelope system and how to do that system, etc. So I will be sending you this. If you are interested, please make sure that you put the cash bag in the comments. And it's also gonna come with a monthly savings challenge, and it also comes with an envelope for you to be able to use. This goal amount is $275, so it will also come with this as well. I'm super excited to be able to go ahead and bless someone with this. So once again, this giveaway will run for 24 hours. I will not be putting anything in the description, anything in the title, or anything. So if you've heard this part, then just go ahead and put those cash bags if you are interested in the wallet. But thank you guys so much once again for your support, and let's get back to the video. This is the So Crafty Sanaa. This is the mini wallet. I think this is called the mini zippy. As you can see, I absolutely love this wallet, that I got it even in a smaller size. And this is so that when I'm wearing my smaller purses for the summertime, I can still fit my money, my cash in there, and then also have it to be separated as well. So I am transitioning into this wallet for the summertime, and I have my envelopes right here, so I'm gonna put them in, and then I'll let you guys know what each envelope is. All right, so as you can see, this is how the wallet goes, and then it just closes just like that. Now, I will tell you, the envelopes that I have is food. We know this is gonna be for groceries. This is home. This is for like any home items. Now, I don't have a toiletries envelope, and that is because I didn't feel like making one. So I just pulled whatever I had. You know, I've made these a long time ago when I used to make cash envelopes. So this miscellaneous envelope is gonna be used for my toiletries. And then giving, I do have an envelope for giving. And then for fun, this will house my allowance that I will start to give myself. And then this wallet here, or this envelope, not really sure what I'll use it for, but I thought it was cute, so I wanted to use it. All right, so I'm first going to start with stuffing food, and that's gonna be $150. So it's gonna be 7 20s, and then a 10. This is 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 50. I'm gonna just fold this and put it in just like that. Next is household, and this is gonna get 2 20s. Fold it. Put it in here. And this is gonna be toiletries, and that's 40. Put it in here. And then next is giving. Giving's not gonna get anything this time. And I think that's pretty much it for this wallet at this moment. Now I probably will either purchase or make some other envelopes that don't have the zipper, because then that way I'll be able to close this easier without having the zipper right here. So I might make some more or purchase some from a creator. Probably gonna purchase because I hate making cash envelopes, if you don't know. That is just not for me, okay? It was for me for a good moment, and then I just couldn't stand it anymore. I couldn't take it. All right, so next I am going to be stuffing my 1 month ahead envelope. And this 1 month ahead envelope is going to get $170. So it's going to be a $100 bill, a 50, and a 20. So it's $170. All right, I'm gonna count everything that I have here. I'm gonna go over to my 1 month ahead tracker, and hopefully I will be able to color something in. Now, in order for me to be 80% saved, I need to have at least $1,656. Let's see what I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1,500, 1,550, 1,600, 17, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85. What is that? 86, 87, 88. So $1,688. So yes, we are now 80% saved, and so I'm super excited about that. Almost done. So yay. And I hope I calculated that correctly. I hope it's not 17. It seemed like it would be 17, right? Let me just make sure I did this right. Sorry, I just have to, because if I'm saving $170 and I already had, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 1,500 plus 1, 2 plus, yeah, 20, 40, 60. 5, 10, 15. Yeah, so it's actually $1,788. So yes, I am now 80% saved. Okay, because I was like, that, it didn't make sense. I'm glad I calculated that over again. So we're done here. And then next is going to be my savings challenges. And I'm going to do $50 for the, oh, sorry, I'm like $50. Wrong one. Let me go over. Okay, so it's going to be $90 for the 52 week. Yeah, so the 52 week is going to be 90 bucks, 55, and 35. So we're done with June. And I think that's gonna be a 50 and 2 20s. And then skipping over to the 3K savings. And this savings is going to be $95. Is going to be 45 and 50. There was a $50. Yeah, there we go. So 50, 70, 95. And that is going to go in the June envelope. Perfect. And I have now completed 6 months of saving, and I'm super excited about that. The last time that I did the 52-week savings, I don't even think I got to 6 months. I think I had got to maybe March. I mean, like, it was very sporadic, so I didn't even do the whole thing. So I'm super excited to now be at 6 months, and then now we got the next 6 months to go. I think we can do it. Can we do it? Maybe I can pay it off early too. Let's see if we can do it. All right, well, I'm super excited about that. So I have stuffed all of my envelopes. So we are pretty much done for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you in the next one. Go be great, besties. Peace out.